Hey guys, I'm Matteo with WTI, and this is the Amazon Basics 25-pound kettlebell. This was one of my first purchases when I decided to work out at home because of how many different exercises I can do with it. It is super versatile. I can do deadlifts, work out my core, squats, snatches. So really, there is not many exercises I cannot do with it. The quality of the kettlebell is excellent. It's all solid cast iron, so it will not easily break. It will last a very long time. It's very sturdy and strong. The handle has the perfect size that makes it very easy and comfortable to hold. It has a nice grip, allowing me to make any movement without losing control of the kettlebell. It has a shiny finish which makes the kettlebell look very nice. I think this is a must-have for any home workout. And that is my point of view.